Hello mga ka-journey. This time, ating mga nahuling bangus. Merong 2 pieces na bangus here. Gagawing sinaing ni Mamsi. Okay, andito po, as you can see here, is the dried kamyas. Galing pang Batangas. Okay, and a few pieces, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of dried kamyas. And then 2 pieces of medium-sized bangus. Cut into 3. Okay? And then, ayan. Kinakat na po ni Ma'am C yung baboy na ilalagay sa sinaing. Okay? Yan po. Ilalagay na po yung pork belly na nilagay. A few pieces. Then, nalalagyan ng asin. Himalayan pink salt. And then, what's next? Yan, take note mga ka-journey. Yung water level niya dapat hindi siya more than just enough na makalubog yung mga bangus. Okay? So, take note of that. And then, isinalang na po sa ating stove. Gas stove yung ating sinaing. Tuloy-tuloy lang po siya with high fire. You can see from there. And then, tatakpan na po yan. And then we will let it boil until the water dries out. Hindi lang po tuloy-tuloy na dry out. Basta may matiralan siya po siyang konti na sauce niya, including ng mantika ng pork. So that's it. Ang ating sinaing na bangus in the making. Okay? See you again mga ka-journey. Cover it. Yan.